Hello everyone, friends. This is Waller. Today I'll show you how to download and install Fabric Loader for Minecraft January 21st 10. For this, go to search and type Fabric Minecraft. Okay? Go straight to the site, click Download, Download for Windows. Here's the Fabric installer. There's also a universal jar file. This is Fabric installer. Also, you'll need Fabric API for mods. Click Fabric API, click Files, and for 1.2, 1.10, comma. Here's the file we need. Yes. So select it, yes, and click Download. While it's downloading, open Fabric Installer. Now select 1.21.10, comma, click Install, click Yes. Click OK and exit. Move the API file to desktop, open Minecraft launcher. Here you'll see Fabric Loader. We need to go to Installations and to the Mods folder. Find the Mods folder and drop Fabric API here. That's it. This was Waller. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.